Hello everyone, this is YAYA Mandarin. Welcome to my Hanyu Pinyin course, Lesson 4. First, let's see what we are going to learn in this video today. In the previous episode, we have learned the 7 initial consonants. Let's do a quick review now. 7 initial consonants: s, c, z, sh, ch, zh, r. Now let's read the initial consonants in the syllables. Sa, se, su, ca, ce, cu, za, ze, zu, sha, she, shu, cha, che, chu, zha, zhe, zhu, re, ru. In Standard Chinese, the vowel E after these 7 initial consonants cannot be pronounced in an isolated manner. They should be read as followed: s, c, z, sh, ch, zh, r. In this lesson, we will study the 4 basic tones and the neutral tone. Tones are changes of pitch of syllables. The 4 basic tones are represented respectively by the following tone graphs: the first tone, the second tone, the third tone, and the fourth tone. When a syllable is pronounced in different tones, it has different meanings. In the Comprehensive Chinese Character Dictionary, there are more than 54,000 Chinese characters entries. But these characters are represented by only about 440 syllables. It means there are considerable homophones in Chinese. You can look at the example in Lesson 1. 是 in different tones has different meanings. For beginners, tones will make them get confused at the beginning. And at the bottom is the characters. You can easily see that such confusion is impossible in written Chinese. For virtually all characters with the same pronunciation are represented with different written forms. Besides the 4 basic tones, there is a neutral tone in Chinese, which is identified by the absence of tone mark. In Standard Chinese pronunciation, there are a number of syllables that lose their original tones and are pronounced soft and short. For example, like mama, 爸爸. We will read 7 simple vowels in 4 different tones. Let's take the vowel A as an example. A with the first tone is a high-pitched sound, also a flat tone. Just pretend you're now in the dentist room, and the dentist is asking you to open your mouth wide for checking. You'll say, ah. That is the first sound. Please repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. Ah with the second tone is a rising tone. I would like to call it a question tone. Sometimes, when you didn't catch someone's talking or didn't get their meaning, you may say, what did you say? Actually, is like the second tone in Chinese. Please repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. The third tone is a falling rising tone. Your voice needs to go down at the beginning and then go up again. Please repeat after me. Ah, ah, ah. If you still have difficulty making the third tone, lower your head first, and then slow raise your head again when pronouncing the third tone. That may help a lot. Fourth tone. The fourth tone is a falling tone. I'd like to call it a painful tone. When someone suddenly beat you hard, you will feel painful and say ah. Ah. It's like the fourth tone, the shortest tone. Please read after me. Ah. 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 The fifth tone is a neutral tone. There's no tone mark above it. You can just read it shorter and lighter. Please read after me. Ah. 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 Let's read the ah in 5 tones one more time. Ah. 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 Can you also try to read the other 6 simple vowels with the 4 tones now? Let's try it. Please listen carefully and check your own pronunciation. O, 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 e, e, i, i, u, 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 ü, 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 r, 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 r. 你学会了吗？ You got it now? I have prepared some useful words for you to practice 5 tones. 八，八，爸爸，爸爸，爬，爬，妈妈，妈妈，秘密，秘密，佛，佛，弟弟，弟弟，大，大，梯，梯，土，土，女，女，马路，马路，哥哥，哥哥，鼓励，鼓励，哭，哭，裤子，裤子，喝，喝，狐狸，狐狸，鸡，鸡，橘子，橘子，七，七， 洗车，洗车。猪，猪。折纸，折纸。吃，吃。出去，出去。十，十。是，是。书，书。热，热。日历，日历。自己，自己。桌子，桌子。四，四。We read the number 4 and 10 in Chinese just now. It's 四 and 十. We also learned 是. 是 means is. Here's a simple tongue twister for you. Are you ready to take the challenge? I'll read it slowly first. 四，是，四。十，是，十。14，是，14。40，是，40。Now I will read it faster. 4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40。Your turn. Are you okay? Practice more and hope you like it. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.